You gonna read a story?
Book.
Yeah, which book are you gonna read?
Emma.
Are you gonna read the Favorite Colors book? Favorite colors?
Cow.
Colors? Elmo is red. Red.
Yes.
Elmo
Emma.
is red. Yeah, he is.
Emma.
Elmo's red. Now look on the next page. Big Bird is yellow.
Cow.
Yellow.
Cow.
No, you have to read it. You have to read it to me. I have to go night. You have to read me my bedtime story so I can go to sleep. Okay? Why don't you read something about Cookie?
Cookie.
Yeah, Cookie Monster. Here, let me see if there's... Oh, I know where there's some Cookie Monster. In this one. Here, read Cookie.
Huh?
Let me read this one. Okay. Grover's Opposites. Grover will teach you about opposites. Ready or not, here we go. Grover is not near. He's far.
Oh, Mommy, there.
Grover's not near.
Huh?
He is far.
Huh?
You want this one now?
Huh?
Almost. Okay, now you want this one? Favorite colors? Well, we did this one. We did this one. You want this one now? Oh, this is a good one. I like this one. It's bedtime.
Dad, the tiger bear.
Ernie sets his alarm clock.
How much coming?
Ring, ring. That's to remind me to take off my slippers, Ernie says. Look, he's taking off his slippers. Slippers. Ring, ring. Time for a drink of water, Ernie says. What are you saying? Pizza? Oh, you're on the pizza page again? There's a piece of pizza on this page. What do you say when you say pizza?
Pizza?
You're like the little Caesars guy. Pizza, pizza.
Pizza? Pizza? Pizza?
Okay, well, I'm going to finish the good night story.
Box?
Wait, you stole the book away. No!
No.
No! How am I going to get to sleep now? Lullaby and good night. You're your mother's delight. So good night. Don't fight. And my darling, sleep tight. Soft and warm is your bed. Close your eyes, rest your head. Soft and warm is your bed. Close your eyes, rest your head. Are you sleepy yet? Are you sleepy? Sleepy. Are you feeling tired? Are your eyes feeling heavy? Are your eyes feeling heavy? Are you feeling sleepy? sleepy? You go unconscious for the next?
Yeah.
Oh, too slow. Your reflexes are slowing down. Does that mean that you might be sleepy? You're sleepy? You are? Ooh. You melted in a tight. Oh, you are sleepy. You okay? You conked me in the face there pretty hard. Well, as long as you're okay. I'll just try to swallow all this blood. You do look like you're ready for night-night. Where'd you get hit in the face anyway? Checking. Never. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. What do you mean no? Zoe. Say goodnight, please. Say goodnight, please. Say goodnight, please. Say goodnight, please. I'm not going to say anything now. So say good night. Good. Keep your finger out of your mouth. Say good night, please. Say good night, please. Zoe, are you alive? Oh, hello. 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 Say good night. Good night. Okay, bye-bye.